Meaning of hook.
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 Hook. The term hook can have multiple meanings depending on the context in which it is used. One meaning of hook is a curved piece of metal or plastic used for catching, holding, or pulling something. In a musical context, a hook refers to a catchy and memorable phrase or melody that is repeated throughout a song to make it more memorable. When used in the context of software programming, a hook is a mechanism for intercepting events or messages before they reach their intended destination. Overall, the term hook generally refers to something that is used to catch, hold, or manipulate something else.